Today, Oribel received this message from the collective consciousness of air, fire, water and dirt. You may interpret dirt as soil. Please enjoy their collective message. Start of transmission.
Dear humans, we love you dearly. Come out. Come out. Come out into nature. Breathe us deeply into your sacred body. The air contains and carries information that you need for your journey. Breathe us in deeply, and give intent that you take in all that you need for your personal journey. These are exciting times. And we are so excited for humanity and the planet. We too play a role in support of your spiritual evolution. The air, fire, water, and dirt. Bathe in our waters, and give intent to release, and clear away any and all energies that do not support your elevated consciousness. Give thanks to water to help you fulfill this task. Cleanse, cleanse, cleanse. Release more of what you don't want to the dirt of the earth. Release. 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 We gladly take them in from you, and transmute them. Release. 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 This is fire speaking. This is our message. Fire carries the energy of transmutation and transformation. You have a fire burning inside you. Feel this power. It's your passion and dreams you are here to fulfill. Feel that power and take right action. Follow through on your intuitive guidance. When you act upon your passions, and your dreams fulfilled, you transform your life, and all those you come into contact with. We take our leave now. Continue the momentum of expanding your consciousness. We are very proud of our human family. We see great things ahead. We love you all. We are the air, fire, water, and dirt of the earth.
End of transmission. The following is a comment from Oribel. We hope you find this transmission and Oribel's comment useful. If you'd like to watch more videos from this channel, please be sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of any new videos uploaded. And if you wonder if you too could communicate with nature elements and sentient beings in nature, we invite you to explore telepathic communication. Oribel conducts in-person group workshops as well as online tutorials on Zoom on this subject. You will find the links for the workshops and the transcription for this message in the description box below. We wish for everyone all the blessings of life.